danger, I will leave only footprints
And as we were just driving through one of the
and
villages,
take only
the
photographs
lava had flown across the road, and in fact they had moved the church.
in natural areas. All that I can
How would you
help
get there?
protect living things and special places
And how long a drive is that?
like Hawaii volcanoes, National Park.
And is lava still flowing down?
Continue to learn about nature, geology, and culture, even after I leave Hawaii volcanoes, National Park.
Maybe I'm trying to piece together.
Share what I learned
There's the one that goes across the crater,
with others,
and then there's the Byron Ledge that comes back.
and always
And it looks like it might work to go in.
listen to my parents and other family members. Good. Eat all of my vegetables. Turn in my homework on time. All right, good job, you guys. You seen all that?